Today we're fitting the Mk3 Stealth Kit to the Gen3 D-MAX. Let's get into it. Before we get into removing the front bar, you'll want to check out the instructions in your kit to assemble the brackets and rows. Alright, so to get started, let's pop the bonnet and disconnect the ground terminal from the battery to prevent any potential fault codes during the install. Next, locate and remove the 7 clips securing the top trim panel above the grille. One of these clips sits beneath the intake duct, so remove that first to access it. Once all 7 are out, lift off the top trim panel and set it aside. Now, you'll see 3 more clips underneath the trim panel that need to be removed, so go ahead and remove those now. Moving to underneath the bumper, there are multiple clips here, including 6 around the outer edge, and also 1 beneath each of the lower plastic panels right in front of the recovery points. After you have removed those, continue to the wheel arches, where you'll find 3 more clips on either side, which is 2 smaller ones and then 1 large one up the top here. Once all these clips are removed, you can move back under the vehicle and remove 2 nuts that are located just in front of each wheel well. With all the clips and bolts removed, gently unclip the bumper from both sides and begin to pull it forward. Be careful here because on the passenger side there's actually 2 electrical plugs that's still connected. Simply unclip them and the bumper is now free to be fully removed. Alright, with the bar off, we can now install the bracket assembly. So start by removing the factory clips on either side of the front support beam. Next, remove the 2 lower bolts from the support beam, as well as the small nut further up in the center, and finally, just unclip the radar sensor from the support here. You can now slide in the whole bracket assembly into position and reinstall the factory nut and bolts to the center support to secure it in place. Finally, we just want to secure each end with our included hardware provided in the kit. And that's how easy it is to install the Mk3 Stealth Kit to the Gen3 Isuzu D-MAX. If you have any further questions, definitely don't hesitate to contact us at sales@altiq.com.au, Facebook, Instagram, and of course we have all instructions and details on our website, so click the link below and you'll find it all there.